Hey guys, I'm joined up in Sydney with Rob, and Rob, if you wouldn't mind telling us why you decided to go with the tankless system to remove your existing swimming pool in your backyard, that'd be great.
We've owned this property for 25 years, and for the last 14 of those years we have not used the pool. 14 years later, and so we actually then went through a number of options as to what potential solutions we could have. Fill in the pool, reinstate the pool as a pool. However, after doing our research, we decided the tankless system was our best option. Choose a tankless system because it retained the integrity of the swimming pool wall. It also too provided us potentially with another source of water for watering purposes, able to actually have a reservoir in our backyard. The other thing too is that it allowed us to have a solid foundation in which to actually choose what type of surface we actually wanted on top. So doing away with the decking that had rotted and putting in a surface that was suitable to our needs.
Thanks Rob, really appreciate it, mate.
To find out more about the Tankless system and how we can help you with a free consultation, because we are Australia's #1 water solution specialist, click this button and connect with us today.